Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to monetize your Instagram account. So go to your settings from your Instagram account basically, and then you will have to go to business tools and controls right here, and then you have to switch your account type. So you will have to be in a professional account basically so that you'll be able to monetize your account first. Next is go to your monetization status right here, which will show you the current policy violations that you must follow basically. So like this partner monetization policies, you have to actually request a review right here so that you'll be able to monetize your account. So now you have submitted a request, you have to do also a request right here to see your content monetization policies. So once you have followed that, it will let you know when you're able to monetize, such as here you'll see you're able to monetize. You're currently following all policies and guidelines related to your monetizational tools. So now you can start posting and you can run ads while also monetizing your own Instagram account. And it's pretty simple. So there you go, guys. That is how to monetize your Instagram account. And there you go.